If you're ready to switch lanes and land that new driver job, you're right on schedule. Demand for safe and efficient drivers is expected to increase over the coming years. To park yourself in one of those positions, you'll need a great driver resume. Luckily, you've come to the right place. I'm Anna, a professional career writer here at Resume.io, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to craft a great driver resume that gets you to your destination. Before you can start writing that great driver resume, you'll need to create a header. This section at the top of the page should feature your name and contact information with a professional email address. You should also specify what type of driver you are, as I've done in this example. Make sure to keep your formatting clean and organized. A professionally designed resume template like the ones linked in the description can make this a lot easier. Next, we'll move on to the summary. This is your chance to rev up your resume and give employers a quick snapshot of your skills. Tailor it to the job you're applying for and give only the most impressive details of your experience, along with any licenses that are required for the job. Time to cruise on through to your employment history section. List your work history from your most recent role to your oldest. Add your job title, employer name, dates worked, and location. Then create 3 to 4 bullet points that highlight your driving responsibilities, like transporting goods, adhering to safety regulations, and maintaining your vehicle. Make sure to quantify your achievements with numbers and statistics. Here's an example. Maintained a flawless safety record over 100,000 miles. Or improved delivery times by 15% through optimized routes. If you'd like even more sample sentences for your driver's CV, make sure to check out the adaptable driver resume example I've linked in the description below. Next, you'll want to add an education section with your high school diploma or any other degrees, again, starting with your most recent degree and working backwards. And finally, let's take the exit for the skills section. Showcase your driving-related abilities like navigation, route planning, and familiarity with GPS systems. Don't forget any additional skills like vehicle maintenance or qualifications. And there you have it, the roadmap to writing your perfect driver resume. Remember, keep it concise, proofread for spelling mistakes, and tailor it to the job you're applying to. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more expert resume tips and advice for your job search.